Long Island iced teas in Norway. Jomo, you my guy. But you cannot make a Long Island iced tea in Norway with the correct amount of alcohol. Can be done. And I know a lot of you are hitting me with the international bartenders, all the international specs. No, we can make it. Listen, I'm gonna hold your hand while I tell you this. That recipe's not correct. So, but that would mean yes. They are lying to you. I'm just saying, bruh. You think a Long Island iced tea only has 6 centiliters of alcohol in it? Oh my God. Okay, listen. I'm gonna ask you 2 questions. 1, have you ever bartended in the United States of America? And I'll answer it for myself. I have, yes, I mean, I'm American, but I have bartended in Florida, New York City, Maine, Idaho, and Oregon. We all across the United States, okay? That's question number 1. Number 2, have you ever bartended in Europe outside of Norway? I'll answer again. Yes, I have. Ireland, Greece, Spain, Sweden, Svalbard, and in Norway, I've also Beitostølen, Bergen, Oslo, Tromsø, Båtsfjord. Look, man, I'm not telling you something that I've heard. I'm telling you something that I know. You're telling me something that you've heard and not telling me something that you know. But it's all good. Hey, it's all good. Look, Jomo, you my guy, man. Look, I'm not trying to have beef, bro. I'm not trying to have beef at all. You can only know what they told you. I'm just telling you, they didn't tell you the truth. Let's just think about it. Like logically. Would any drink in the world with only 6 centiliters of alcohol make sense to have a reputation the way the Long Island does? No, not a thing. It would not be possible. 6 centiliters. But you think someone can't handle a 6 centiliter drink? That's crazy. And do you know why the blue Long Island is called an AMF? Where only thing you switch is blue curacao instead of triple sec or Cointreau as the orange liqueur? It's because it stands for adios, motherfucker. That's what it stands for. That's because when you drink one, you out of here. If that drink only had 6 centiliters in it, could it be called an adios, mother? That wouldn't even make sense. The Long Island is made with 10 centiliters. Just start. You can go many different places in the United States where you're gonna get 12 to 14, 18, 20 centiliters. I mean, there's a reason why a lot of bars have a rule like they will not give you more than 2 consecutive Long Island iced teas because it's too much alcohol. And only bad things can follow. I'm either A, gonna have to kick you out, B, I'm gonna have to break up a fight, C, I'm gonna have to call the police, or D, clean up puke. And I don't wanna do any of those things. So that would not be possible for a 6 centiliter drink, I'm just telling you. But it's all good. Look, if you wanna have more, let's say paperwork or something to show, cite your sources, all this different stuff, okay, look, I have 2. This here is from, as you can see, food.com. And this is the Adios, this is AMF, which only has the blue curacao. That's the only difference, blue curacao. But you see, 3/4 ounce, 3/4 ounce, 3/4 ounce, 3/4 ounce, 3/4 ounce. That is 10 centiliters, bro. But look, hey, since we're in Europe, let's go with the #1 bartender school in the world, European Bartender School. Let's see what they teach. And a lot of you out there have taken the classes and course at European Bartender School. I have met so many graduates of EBS all around the world. So I know I'm not alone. What do they teach? Oh man, look at that right there. We see what we got. 20. That's milliliters. If you want to turn it into centiliters, then you just drop the 0. Bro, I'm trying to tell you, the reason it has this reputation is because it's gonna fuck you up. So, sorry I've gone on this long rant, but if you stuck around to the end, I don't want no problems, man. I'm just trying to tell you. I mean, I know it's kind of like finding out Santa Claus isn't real or the Easter Bunny doesn't exist and all of that. All I'm saying is that the point is that's why it has a reputation, because it's supposed to have 10 centiliters or more. So getting it with the 4, and I know you can have up to 6 in Norway. Hey, my bar, we make them with 5 centiliters. I understand that, but I'm just saying, like, you know, where's the fun? You're supposed to get the Long Island iced tea because you're supposed to boom, you know what I mean? And if you can't get that, then it's like, why? Just have a gin and tonic.